Hello everyone. Today's video is about articles. In this video we are going to discuss about articles. Now what are articles? Articles are the letters a, and the word the. A or an is called the indefinite article. Why it is called indefinite article? Because when we do not speak of any particular or definite person or thing, we use an. For example, I saw a boy in the market. I found an umbrella lying in the room. So we are not talking about any definite boy or any definite article. So that is why we are using a in the first sentence and an in the second sentence. A and an is always used before countable nouns, nouns which we can count. A dog is an animal. A house has a roof. That means over here in these two sentences we are talking about one animal and one house. A is not used before nouns that cannot be counted. So we must remember that a and an is always used before countable nouns and before nouns which signify a singular object. Now, correct use of a and an. That means when a is used and when an is used. Now first we will see a. A is used before words beginning with the sound of a consonant like a boy, a woman, a cow. Now boy begins with B, which is a consonant, woman begins with W, which is a consonant, and cow begins with C, which is a consonant. So what do we see? Words beginning with the sound of a consonant, before that we use a. An is used before words beginning with a vowel or with a letter H which is silent. Like for example, as an I. We are using an before I. Why? Because it starts with E and E is a vowel. An ox. O is a vowel, so we are using an. An umbrella, U is a vowel, so we are using an. An hour. Now hour begins with H, H-O-U-R, hour. But the H is silent. The sound which is coming is a O, which is a vowel. An honest man. The same case over here also. The word begins with H, but the sound is coming of O. H is silent. So we are using A before honest. For vowels which have the sound of Y, U, we do not use an. For example, a useful person. Now the sound is coming as Y and U, even though the letter is U, which is a vowel, but the sound is coming of consonant, Y-U, useful person. A unit, a university, a European, a uniform, a union. Then vowel O, when it is sounded as wa, W-A, we use a 1 rupee note. Now 1 begins with O, but the sound is coming as wa. So 1 rupee note, a one-eyed giant. So these were the indefinite articles. Next we come to definite article. Now which is a definite article? The is a definite article because we use the when we refer to some particular person or thing. For example, call the boy standing outside. Now we are calling, it is saying that we have to call a particular boy who is standing outside. We use the before names of things which are unique of their kind. That means only one of its kind. Like the sun. Sun is only one. The moon. Moon is also only one for earth. And the sky. The world. The universe. And we use the before superlatives. Superlatives, you know what are superlatives? That is adjectives. In adjectives, the degrees of comparison. Positive, comparative, superlative. So we use the before superlatives. This is the best book in the library. Now best is a superlative. so we are using the before best. Everest is the highest peak in the world. Now highest is the superlative degree, so we are using the before highest. Now in all cases we do not use articles. So where do we omit the articles? That means we do not use articles. In some cases articles are not used. The article is omitted in the following cases. Number 1, before common noun used in their widest sense, as man is immortal. Now man is a common noun which is being used in the widest sense, that means all men. Number 2, before proper nouns, as Russia is a great country. Delhi is the capital of India. Now what do we see? We are not using any article before the names of these countries. Like before Russia, we are not using the or a or an. We are just saying Russia. The same before Delhi, we are not using any article. Before abstract nouns, he loved truth and wisdom. Now truth and wisdom are abstract nouns and we are not using any article before truth and wisdom. Before material nouns, silver and gold are found in India. We are not saying the silver or a gold. So silver and gold are material nouns. We are not using any articles before silver and gold. And before names of games and meals, like I play football. Football is a game and we are not using any article before it. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is a meal and we are not using any article before breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this video and you liked it. We will be back with more such videos. Thank you.